Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I have another fantastic pool robot vacuum cleaner. This thing is small, but it is super powerful and the battery life is going to blow you away. It charges up quickly, it gets the job done. It has a super large container for all of the dirt, debris, and leaves that it will pick up off the bottom of your pool. It's going to use dual motors and incredible suction power to do a great job. And when it's finished, it will park itself at the side. We are going to slide this to start. Stick around with me. I'm going to show you guys this in action. We're going to clean it out and then meet me back here. So when I tell you this is effortless excellence, this is what I mean. To start, all you do is slide it and place it in your pool. And seconds later, you're going to watch this incredible robot clean your pool. It's going to go super fast and be really, really efficient. You see, there are no cords involved and it zips right around. This has a 120-minute working time. It's perfect for all sorts of pools, but especially above ground pools and pools that are about 850 square foot. You're really going to see this zipping all around. It is super fast. It's got the dual motor system, and basically that means that it's going to be powerful and it's going to get the job done in the quickest amount of time. It's got a big battery, a long run time, and it charges up quickly. It's got hydrodynamic design. So this design, you're going to see it moving around through the water, kind of like a little fish. It's streamlined, it's hydrodynamic, and it's going to glide through your pool. It's actually really, really fun to watch, and it has incredible cleaning performance. It's going to clean your pool's floor like never before, and you're going to be so happy to have all of that dirt, debris, sand, hair, and so much more out of your pool, and it's completely effortless on your part. You're going to be able to see the crystal clear results. It has a filtration rate of up to 1,400 gallons per hour. That's absolutely insane. And it has a 2-liter filter box. So let's check this out underwater. It's gliding through like a fish and picking up all of that stuff. It goes over drains, bumps, and things in the bottom of your pool with no problem because, again, it does have that dual drive motor system. And I think probably the coolest thing is when you are finished, it actually parks itself. So it's going to come to the side of your pool and you could pick it up or use the included hook depending on the depth of your pool and just pick it up. This is the most lightweight pool robot that I've used. A lot of them are cumbersome and they're heavy and they keep that water inside. This has quick, rapid release of the water, meaning that all that water comes out and you are left with a very lightweight and easy to use and store device. It's also super easy to clean. This has got a large filter basket, the fine mesh filter right there, and see everything we picked up. I mean, I didn't even think the pool was that dirty, and I'm so glad that we got all of this out. We're talking sand, we're talking acorns, we're talking hair. I can only imagine what else that fine mesh filter picked out. And you know what? It's so easy to clean and store. So all I'm doing is just going to rinse this out. It takes a few seconds. It's really the only effort on my part at all because the robot did everything else. I'm going to leave it out to dry in the garage and we're done. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and seeing the Pleco SE in action. I absolutely love this thing and I know that you guys are going to love it as well. This makes my summer so much easier. I can spend more time enjoying the wonderful weather, spending some time in the sunshine, actually relaxing and enjoying my pool with my family and friends, and letting the Pleco SE do all of the work for me. You guys are going to want to pick this up as well. You can check out all of the information in the description below. Go ahead, get to shopping.